So we're driving through the swamps trying to find the shoebill stork, which will be the ultimate for me and to finish my Uganda safari. It's an incredible bird. It looks like a dinosaur, and I make movies about dinosaurs, so to see this in real life will be an absolute ultimate goal. The mighty Balaenoceps rex is a wading bird that roams the impenetrable swamps and marshes of tropical Central Africa. My quest was made even more exciting by the plethora of other beautiful bird species I found along the way, emphasizing just what an important habitat and ecosystem these swamps and marshes are. A royal welcome was given to me by the stunning malachite kingfisher, widely distributed in Africa south of the Sahara. The little egret is a very elegant species of small heron. It's a beautiful white bird with a slender black beak, long black legs, and in the western race, yellow feet. The pied kingfisher is a very common species found in the Ugandan swamps. It's a very distinctive bird with its black and white plumage. The males have a double band across the breast, while females only have a single broken breast band, seen clearly here. Also abundant in the swamp is the African open-billed stork, which has a uniquely shaped bill that creates a diagnostic gap between the two halves of its bill. The purple swamp hen is also unmistakable with its dark violet plumage and red frontal shield and bill. The Senegal cuckoo also makes its home here in this grassy habitat, alongside the long-tailed cormorant with its beady red eyes, and the African jacana, able to walk on floating vegetation due to its long toes and claws. So I continued my search for the elusive Jurassic bird through the winding channels of the Mabamba. Then all at once the swamp produced a miraculous dividend. In the distance we spotted a huge grey bird motionless in the reed bed. Yes, we found the dinosaur bird, the shoebill stork, and it was everything I'd hoped for. Okay. Success. We have found the shoebill stork. This is the ultimate for me and completes my Uganda safari. To see this bird in its natural habitat in the wild, absolutely amazing. There are only 1,000 of these birds here in Uganda. And to see this, yes, this completes my trip.